What you gonna do with all this hair? All this hair on top of your head? I'ma grow some more. Grow some more on you, some more. What going on, guys? It's your girl Rizzo. Welcome back. And if you're not a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's go. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I stretch my hair without a blow dry and how I achieve my afro style that you guys have been seeing on my Instagram. I'm also due for a trim and I included that in this video as well. My hair was freshly washed and I went straight ahead into my moisturizing routine. This time I'm only going to use water and a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to work that into my hair. You gotta smooth it in. I'm going to smooth that into my hair. Then I'm going to brush out any tangles. Make sure that my hair is smooth, even smoother with the brush. Then I sealed with my honey cream liquid balm from Natural Oasis. Braids help to give me more of a stretch versus twist. That's why I prefer to braid my hair. It doesn't really matter how big or small my braids are. As long as my braids are detangled well, they're braided tightly together. They don't necessarily have to be tight at the roots. I did them this small because I was about to trim my hair and I wanted them a bit more uniform by sections and by texture and also by length. But hello, can we talk about how hydrated, moisturized and shiny my hair looks right now? We're going to put the hair away because it's time to trim your hair, girl. But hold up, let's take it way back. I guess I can speak for myself on this and a lot of people. Nothing is better than fresh ends. Nothing is better than healthy ends. When your ends are healthy, you retain a lot more length. So I would say that's the biggest importance of trimming your hair. If your goal is to have longer hair, or if your goal is to have healthy hair, then trimming your hair is very beneficial. And if your goal is to have healthy and thick hair, then trimming your hair is very important. Your hair reacts better to products, your hair looks better, your hair feels better. How do you know when to trim, or what are the signs of you needing a trim? I'm gonna give you some signs and some things to look out for. If your hair is looking very uneven, probably need a trim. If your ends are very dry and no matter how much you moisturize, your hair still is very dry, especially on your ends, you need a trim. If your hair is breaking off tremendously, you need a trim. You guys know the song, something with I've been taking L's and I bounce back. If you don't see that bounce back in your hair or that curl back, you need a trim. If you twirl your hair around your fingers and you know you normally see a little curl pattern of some sort and you don't see anything, you need a trim. If you have on a t-shirt and you can see straight through your hair, you need a trim. If your hair looks sparse looking and very spacey, not thick all the way through to your ends, boo boo, say it with me, you need a trim. If you braid or twist your hair and it's not thick all the way through to the ends, you need a trim. If you have a ton of split ends and single strand knots, come a little closer. What it is? You need a trim. Now that we got that out of the way, I trimmed my hair right after using a hair scissors that I used on my hair only. That has to be very sharp to prevent further damage. I usually trim 1/4 or up to 1/2 inch, but leading up to my trims, I recently started back implementing the search and destroy method. That's when if you see a split end, you cut it out because you don't need that type of negativity in your life. One of my favorite things to do is to let dead weight go, so RIP to split ends because you will not be missed. Y'all know where I just came from in these upcoming clips. Hashtag Black Women Workout. Hang time come through. I applied the honey cream liquid balm into my hair again, mostly on my ends. I just scrunched that in to prepare my hair to be carefully unraveled. After taking down the braids, I'm going to brush out my hair from the ends up with a brush. Well, obviously I said brush out my hair. I honestly can't remember where I got it from, but a white teeth comb can also work, or any tool that you use to detangle your hair. This brush makes it so much easier and faster for me, so that's why I resort to using this brush. As I said, all I'm simply doing is unraveling my braids and brushing my hair out with my choice of a detangling tool. I'm going to stop talking for a bit and let you guys see the process as it comes to an end. Fro-punzel, let down your hair, girl. This is my hair all stretched out, all froed out in its natural goodness. Say it with me. Come through, fro. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked the video. Bye.